import digital papers that are not from the Silhouette Studio online store, papers that you get from somewhere else. So I'm going to show you how to import digital papers. It also works for images. So if you go to a website that gives away free images, like Carrie Bradford, I think that's her name. She usually gives away a lot of stuff. It's the same steps for importing those as well. But I'm going to show you how to import digital papers. And also, two or three people asked me, how did I get a file that says digital papers that's separate? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to get that file right here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on My Library, or you can click on Recent Downloads or Your Own Designs. You can actually click on any of these to create a folder. But when you click on it, it's going to create a folder off of that folder. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm on My Library right now, as you can see. And when I click this button here, it says New Folder. It's going to create a new folder, and it's going to truncate off of the My Library folder. And I'll just name that DigiPapers for YouTube, because that's what I'm making this folder for. Now, if you wanted to, if you were creating your own designs, or you wanted it to be off of another folder, you would just select it and then click Add Folder, and it would truncate off. So if I click New Folder there, it's going to truncate off of that one. It doesn't really matter where you put it because they'll all appear. This little X is how you delete buttons. So that's how you create the folders. Now, the next part is, how do you import paper that you have gotten from somewhere else? So I'm going to go to, well, for me, it's my internet browser, Safari, and I'm already on the Two Peas in a Bucket page. They have several DigiPapers that they give away for free, several digital kits. And I'm going to show you how to import this one by Betsy Tuma. It's the Bold Bright Sampler that they have featured for free. So I'm going to minimize that. And what you have to do is go back to Silhouette Studio after you've downloaded your file. And the easiest place to download it so you can find it is to your desktop, and then you can move it later. Now, I'm on a Mac, so I pay no attention to where things download, because when I want to find them, all I have to do is drag and drop them. So you'll see me drag and drop, and it'll work just fine if you're on a Mac. I've been told it works on Windows. I've never had any luck with it myself with our Windows computer, but I don't think it's been upgraded in a long time. But anyways, so you go back to your Silhouette Studio software, you click File, and you click on this link that says Import to My Library. And then you'll get a dialog box that pops up. And this is why I said you have to kind of know where it went, because you need to find it. And you would just find whatever the file is that you've downloaded, and you would import it. Now, like I said, I don't pay attention to where things download to. So I have it selected here. And it looks like, yeah, I still don't know where it is. Excuse me. So here's the file where the papers are. And I'm going to just drag it and drop it over here, because it, like I said, I have a Mac, so it'll just find it for me. I don't have to do it. So here are the papers here, and I'm just going to select OK. I'm just going to pick the first one that says Paper 1. And a dialog box is going to pop up, and it's going to say, what do you want to name this? And I'm going to say, just leave it Bold Bright Sampler Paper 1. And I'll put the artist down here as Betsy Tuma. And you can also give it keywords or a description. And when I first started using my Silhouette Studio software, I didn't really give a lot of stuff keywords or descriptions. But as my library started to grow very rapidly, it became actually more important that I started naming stuff. But again, anyways. And on here, you can give it a category. I don't assign any to digital papers because none of these apply here. So I'm going to click OK. And when I go to my library, whoa, computer like froze up for a second. Okay. When I go to my library, it should be here somewhere. Pretty sure it's blue. Okay. I had a mental lapse in judgment. I forgot about this. When you download something from the Silhouette Studio online store, it goes to recent downloads. It goes to this one. When you go to my import or import to my library, it always goes into my designs. So that's, I don't know why I didn't think about that, but it'll automatically import to the My Own Designs folder. And these two are here when you download the software. You don't create those. The software comes with them pre-done. That's why they're gray. But anyways, so you can see in the My Own Designs folder, there's the paper I just downloaded, the Bold Bright Sampler paper one. But I'm sure you don't want it in this My Own Designs folder, or most people probably don't. That's why they asked me, how did I get that folder that says digital papers? Well, all you have to do is click on it and drag it over. And this works in both versions of the software last time I checked. And once you go to that folder, you'll see that DigiPaper is now there. So that's how you create folders and how you import designs or DigiPapers from other sources other than the online Silhouette Studio store. Another question, I wasn't going to address this at first, but since I'm in the library, when you download things from the Silhouette Studio online store, you get these pretty like images. When you download your own designs, it automatically downloads just like a red outline. There's no way to get a pretty image. Well, no easy way when you download it online. So I know some people thought or someone asked me if it was different, and it's not. It's just the pretty designs that are pre-done that look all nice like this are from the online store. And when you import your own, it's just showing you what the cut file looks like. And like some of these are like Christina Warner files from the 2-piece store. They import like that too. You don't get the pretty picture. I don't know why. But anyways, hope this helped. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. Bye.